As we bid farewell to sweet summer and the fall months are upon us, as a homeowner, it's the perfect time to make sure your home is ready to handle the chilly months ahead. In this video, I will share some essential winter maintenance tips that will not only help you protect your home, but will ensure that you are comfortable and cozy all season long. Let's begin with some tips for the outdoors. Number 1, clear your gutters. You want to start winter with cleaned gutters because if they get clogged, it can lead to ice dams, which can cause roof damage and leaks. Number 2, inspect your roof. You want to ensure that you don't have any damaged or missing shingles, and if you find some, fix them to prevent leaks and costly repairs. Number 3, trim tree branches. If you have any trees that are particularly close to your home, I'd advise that you trim back any branches that could break under heavy snow or ice and potentially cause damage to your roof or windows. Number 4, turn off and drain exterior water sources. And number 5, switch off your air conditioner. Bonus tip, if you have a car, ensure that each vehicle is stocked with a blanket, snow brush, and scraper tool, and a backup jug of windshield wiper fluid. Now let's review some tips for indoors. Number 1, service your HVAC system. Now is a great time of year to call in a pro for a checkup of your furnace or boiler, and don't forget to replace your furnace filters regularly. Number 2, inspect windows and doors for drafts. If you find any issues, adding weather stripping or caulking gaps will help you keep the cold air out and your heating bill down. Number 3, reverse your ceiling fans. When I learned about this, I thought it was very cool. Switching the direction of your ceiling fan to clockwise actually helps push warm air back down into the room so that your heating system doesn't have to work as hard. Number 4, create a blackout survival kit. In this, you can include items such as flashlights, candles, and lighters. Number 5, test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors and replace batteries as needed. It's prudent to check these every month, but at minimum, you should add this task to your winter and spring maintenance checklists. And number 6, insulate your pipes. If you have any exposed pipes in unheated areas, you should wrap them in a foam, rubber, or fiberglass sleeve to prevent freezing and bursting. Following these tips and creating a winter checklist of your own can save you from costly repairs and keep your home comfortable during the winter.